Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have React and components. Now start wiring routes. Open index.js and import browser router from React Router DOM, then wrap app/ with browser router. Next, in app.js import routes and route, you will declare your first paths. Create simple home and about components if not present. This gets the router context ready so link components and route matching work. Once done, save and confirm no compile errors before moving to route definitions inside app.js. Now define the route map inside app.js. Import routes, route link, nav link. Inside your component return routes and add route path equals /element equals home / plus route path equals /about element equals about /. Replace anchor tags with link to equals /about to avoid page reloads. Use navlink when you need active class styling. It provides is active implicitly. Make sure routes match exact paths and components render correctly. Test navigation by clicking links while watching the URL change. Finish by handling dynamic and nested routes. Declare paths like /users/ID and inside the target component call use params to access ID. This enables detail pages. For layout pages, nest route elements and include outlet / in the parent to render children components. Finally, test direct URL entry and / forward navigation to ensure proper behavior. If routes don't render, check that browser router wraps the app. Ensure import names match and inspect console errors. Most issues are simple typo or import mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.